Morning, children. Welcome back. How are you all? Yes, I'm too fine. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much. So, all are ready for today's session, na? Yes, I can see all are having so much nice smiling faces. So, all are ready, correct? Yes? Okay, shall we go? Yes, children. You know what we're going to do today? We'll do English. Fine? Shall we do English today? Okay. In English, you know what you're going to do? Exactly the action word. What is it? Action word. But see, since we are learning so many words, you will tell us action words. Fine? Yes? You remember last time also we did the same action words. So many words we learn. Correct? Yes, drive the car. Birds can swim. Birds can fly. I can swim. Yes, so many we learned. Correct na? So what the action we are doing, it is called as action word. Correct? We are not learning only one word. We are learning so many words. So we'll tell as action words. Yes? Perfect, children. Ready now? Okay? So what is this picture? Can anyone tell me what picture is this? Yes, reading. Someone is reading the book. Perfect. Very good. The same way, you know what you're going to do? You're also going to take your English workbook. Take English workbook and pencil. Just pencil is enough. Eraser is not needed. Yes, children, it's very simple. We are going to do the orals today. Fine? Great. Now, in our English workbook, take page number 64 and 65 together. Don't fold your book. Okay, last time also I saw someone was folding the pages. But what happens now? The pages will get turned off. Okay, I don't want the torn pages. Fine, children? Okay, if your book is like this, just open. Yes, page number 64 and 65. Don't fold like this. It is very difficult. Okay, here we are, because we are going to do with these two pages. Okay, so better hold like this. Fine. CW and today's date. Fine, children? Mareva, very nice. So you can see the first picture. What is the first picture? The same, someone is reading the book. Very good. So what is that action word? Read. What is that action word? Read. So when we tell the sentence, we should say read the book. How we should say? Read the book. Fine. How we should say? Read the book. Read is the action word here. Correct? That is the action means what? The work, what they are doing. Correct na? So read the book. Fine? Okay. What is the next picture? What is there in the picture? He is writing something. Yes, very good. So we should say write in the book. That is the action word. Write is the action word. The sentence write in the book. Fine? Understood, children? By picture you have to write a normal sentence. Okay, based on the action word. Fine? Perfect. What is the third one? See, he is showing the picture of a fan. Just what finger is this? Pointer. What finger? Pointer. So he is point to the fan. What is doing? Pointing. Point is the action word. What he is pointing? To the fan. So how the action word sentence will go? Point to the fan. You also point to the fan. See, just raise your head and see where is the fan. Can you see the fan in your home? Point to the fan. You also do the same. Point to the fan. Done? Very good. Understood? Excellent. Now, fourth one. What she is doing? She's looking. Okay, when it's ing, just this is for example I'm telling you. Okay, what she's doing? She's just looking. Action. What is the action word? Look. What the work he is doing, he or she is doing is work only, we should say. Okay. So look. So we can say look at the picture. Can you see the picture? Yes. Can you see the picture there, children, in your book? Here also? Yes. What is the sentence will go like? Look at the picture. See the next sentence. Wow, cute na? What this cute baby is doing? Yes, touching the head. So if we say, what is the action word? Touch. If we say, touch your head. You also touch your head, children. Touch your head. Good. Looking very cute, children. Very nice. What is the sentence? Touch your head. Fine? Very nice. What is that action word? Close. And what the action line sentence? Close the window when fog is more, when sun is more, when the rain is more. We always used to close the door, and we will ever close the door. So, in simple sentence, based on that action word close, we should say close the window. What is it? Close the window. Done? Very good. Shall we move on to the next one? Children, you are understanding? Very nice. Okay. Here comes the next one. What they are doing? What they are doing? Yes, they are opening. So, action word is open. What the action word? Open. Yes. So, open the door. When someone knocks the bell, what we will do? Open the door. What is it? Open the door. When mama will say, na, beta, please open the door. So we will also run to open the door. Correct? Yes. So what is the sentence? Open the door. Understood? That's sweet. See, the dog is sleeping. What they are doing with the dog? They are pulling the, what is it? That chain, that belt, whatever it is. But is that the correct verb, children? This is pulling. Pull the dog. Someone is pulling the dog. So, we should say as only the action word. With the word only we should make that sentence. Correct? So, we should say pull the dog, which is not a correct verb. Okay? We should not pull the dog, no, children. Because it is also living like, being like us. Correct? So, don't hurt any animal or any insects. Fine? Okay. So, this sentence should go like, pull the dog. Fine? Okay. Only for the sentence sake, children. Fine now? Yes. Very good. Oh God, what he is doing? So much big box and boxes are there. Yes? See, box. Inside that there is a box also there. So we should say boxes. What is that action word? Push. What is when we should tell with the action word? We should say push the boxes. What is it? Push the boxes. Children, when we went out, when we are going out, you can see in the doors also we have written pull, push. Correct? So next time when you read that, you can recollect this. Pull means like this. Push like this. Okay? Push means do like this. Fine? Forward. Okay? Ahead. That is also best thing. Push. Fine, dear? So don't get confused with both these. Pull, push. Understood? He is pushing the boxes. You can't push the... Yes, exactly. You can't push the dog. That is also a wrong word. Wrong sentence. Correct, na? Okay. So this sentence, push the boxes. Good. Children, understood? Very nice. Here we go with the next sentence. Wow, what is it? The red carpet. It might be of anything. What is that action word? It's roll. Roll means what? Roll. You put it. In a normal sense, you will say roll the carpet. You remember during our annual day, there will be a red carpet in our ground, and during our hall, in our hall also, school annual day, class annual day, all the words we would have had this red carpet. While they are spreading it, in technical term we should say as roll the carpet. Fine? Yes? What is it? Roll the carpet. So next year when we do the annual day, we will say the sentence now, roll the carpet. Fine? Yes, dear. Very nice. Next sentence. What he is doing? He is walking. Yes. But just see his hand. He's calling someone. Like come. Come is a action word. Come is the action word. So we can tell now morning, many are going for walking. Correct? Morning walk, evening walk, night walk, all are going for walking now. Correct now? So if they tell come for a walk, if you put it in that way, come for a walk. See, we'll go for walking. Both are same meaning, but depending on the situation, the sentence, the meaning changes. Okay? So here it will come as come for a walk. See, he is walking very nicely. You are walking, children? Not needed now. Be inside the home. Be safe now. Fine? Okay. Good? Excellent. Now what is this? I know all my children loves this. Once, you'll remember last year, once you come from your buses and your friends come in the other bus, your friends come by walking also. Yes, you all will stand in the veranda, stand near the stairs and talk each other. At that time what teacher will say? Go to the class. Remember? Yes, near that reception area and all, near that entrance, what they all will say? Go to the class. If teacher comes, what teacher will say? Go to the class. Yes, see, children are going to the classes. Here, go is the action word. What is it? Go is the action word. Fine? You like this? Okay, even I too like this, children. Very nice, na? What sentence is this? Go to the class. Perfect. See? What he is doing? Sitting. But what is that action? It is just sit. Okay, now what you are doing? You are sitting, you are lying down, or you are standing. What you are doing? Yes, if you are sitting, if you are leaning on the sofa, if you are leaning on the bed, if you are lying down, very bad, children. Back straight, everyone. Back straight. This is called perfect sit. Sitting. Correct? So sit. We are sitting. We are sitting properly. Correct na? Yes. But in this picture, where he is sitting? Yes. So we can say sit on the wall. Sit on the wall. It's a small wall, I think. That is why he is sitting. Yes. But then children, we should not do such things. Fine? It is not safety for us. Now, beta. Okay? We should not do this now. Okay? Okay. So what is the sentence for the action word? Sit. Sit on the wall. Done? Okay. What is the next thing? He is standing. What is the main position? That is standing. Okay, he is standing on toes. So we can say stand on your toes. How we should say? Stand on your toes. Children, you know what is toe, correct? See how he is standing now? That is called toe. You understood? Where he is standing? That is toe. Toe part of पूरा leg है, foot है, toes है. But this is called a toe. So he is standing on toe. Correct? So two toe. So that is toes. Fine? See, both the legs are, he is standing on both the toes. Legs up. Correct? So finally, the last sentence will go like, stand on your toes. Fine? Okay, shall we move on to the next one? I know all my children will know this. What the board he is having? Stop. What the board? Stop. Yes. Who is he having this? Traffic inspector, traffic police. Both are fine. Very good, children. Tried very well. Keep it up. So, simple sentence. Stop is the action word. Understood now. We should not say stopping and all. Fine? Stop going. That's it. You remember that poem also, na? Rhyme? Red says stop. Perfect. So, here we can say finally stop going. The board is stop. So, when you are going, if you see the red board, you should say stop. It means that. Perfect? What is it? Stop going. Do it now. Okay. See here, children. Today, which page we did? Page number. This picture is in page number 64. All written CW on the top right. Yes? Okay. And pictures are in page number 64. And the sentence are in page number 65. Fine. Action word sentence. Fine, children? Yes? Okay. Understood? Very nice, children. Okay? So read this once again. Okay? I'll see you soon in our next session. Bye bye, children. Take care.